Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed projects like the photo booth, where when you press the green flag, you can actually change the accessories and randomize some different stuff, reset it, etc., using some of the different buttons on here. We also have another project called the photo editor, which makes it so that you can press the different buttons and it will change the image that is on here, and you can even make it whirl. Now, I want to show you a neat idea, and this neat idea is called Winter Snow Globe Creator, and it is by Blush Pink 1. So when you press the green flag, it allows you to pick different stuff, like, okay, let's go to the globe color. We can change the background. We can change the landscape. We can plant different items. We can change the character that appears. And then we have some buttons down here that tell you some different stuff. Isn't that pretty neat? Now, if you got a neat idea that you'd like to share, make sure you comment a link to it below so we can take a look at it. And if you'd like to check out this project by Blush Pink 1, you can check out the description, which has a link to this, as well as a link to many more projects and resources at bootuppd.org. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.